Hey, what's going on, you guys? My name is Frank the Man. I'm a barber and cosmetologist, and you tuning into the Frank the Man TV show. I teach you how to increase your income, increase your clientele, and increase your marketing tactics. Let's go! Testing. We are officially back on YouTube. Mic check. Speed, action. Set it up. Rolling. Alright, let's do it. So in today's video, guys, we're going to be talking about how to become a barber. And before we begin on that, man, it's been a long time coming. I haven't seen you guys in, 4 months? And one of my videos, right, 2 of my videos right now, they are trending. They are my most viewed videos right now. And one of those videos is, are you considering being a barber? So I figured, hey, I'm gonna teach you guys how to become a barber. And then, progressively, we're gonna go ahead and move forward onto how to become a successful barber and the day in the life of a barber and how to officially make, a lot of money become a barber. Let's start with how to become a barber. I've noticed a lot of comments, man, and you guys are wilding, bro. There's a lot of comments on there I'm very, easy to answer comments. There's this dude, I can't remember his name. I'll block out his name because I don't want to put his information out there like that. Apparently very frustrated because he just can't find any information on how to become a barber. It's very easy to become a barber, bro. All you have to do is have a GED or a high school diploma. Contact your local, you know what? Let's do this. How about this? Let's call him right now. And we're gonna do it just like that. We're gonna call our local barber school here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're gonna go ahead and tell them, ask them how to become a barber. It's gonna be very easy, not difficult at all. And to homeboy, bro, relax a little bit, my boy. It's very easy to become a barber. Now, it's hard maintaining and being a barber. Now, before we get into that, let's go ahead and call the barber school right now. Look, I'm gonna do it real quick. Hold on, let me get on my Facebook. Look, Barber School near me. There it is. Let's go and figure it out. Boom, Euphoria. Boom, Barber School's Euphoria, Masterpiece, closing at 5 p.m. They don't close at 5 p.m. I know because I went there. Now they're actually there until 11, 12 o'clock. So that's one of the beauties as well. If you're working a full-time job, you can go ahead and after you're working, go to Barber School. So let's call them and tell them, how do we become a barber? Apparently I got them saved. Wow. Here we go. I'm gonna try and disguise my voice. Cause I'm real cool with Mr. Allen and Mr. Green. Oh, sometimes they have students working the phone, so let's see what's up. Pick up. Hey, how you doing? My name is Josh, and I wanted to ask. I want to become a barber, and I really don't know how. What would be like the first step?
You got a high school diploma?
Yes, I do.
You have any felonies?
Any felonies? No, not at all.
Okay. Then you need to come down to the school. Usually it's Monday to Friday, and whether between 10 and 5. But the person that normally does all that stuff is out sick this week. I would suggest coming after, or I guess you can come in the morning anytime after 9 o'clock.
Okay.
And fill out necessary paperwork. We don't discuss prices over the phone.
Okay, fantastic, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
No worries.
All right, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
There it is. So, bro, relax. Have you tried picking up the phone? Have you tried Googling it? Bro, I'm going to go ahead and take you guys on how to Google it real fast. Put on the shades right quick, you know what I mean? Hey guys, so like I was saying, it's very self-explanatory, very easy to become a barber, very hard to stay a barber, man. I know a lot of people who dropped out, they become a barber, they'll drop out simply because, they ain't have it in them, man. They ain't have it in them. So look, again, to touch on the mindset thing, make sure that you have your mind ready for this. You know what I mean? Make sure you have your mind ready. Make sure you know exactly what you're doing and what you're going up against. And of course, you guys, before we get into exactly how to become a barber, buy some clippers, man. Buy some clippers. And actually, I almost forgot. I teamed up with 4th Worth Barber Supply, and guess what I did for you guys, man? I created a beginner barber box, right? This bad boy right here. And I created a beginning barber box, and it has everything you need to become a barber. Everything, literally. Razors, capes, neck duster, the polvo, the powder for the neck duster. Everything you need. So, if you guys are, on the jump right now, don't really understand if you have a significant other, a homie, a pal, he, she, a binary inclusive individual, this is it. A beginner barber box. It's less than $500, and it has everything you need to become a barber, which I highly recommend that I always recommend people, if there's anything you want to do in life, jump at it. Before you go to college and, you decide you want to be a lawyer, 10 or 12 years pass, you finally become a lawyer and realize that it's boring, that you're not passionate about this, and you're hundreds of thousands of dollars in debt. Luckily for barbering, it goes anywhere from, 10 to 15 to 20,000. You know what I mean? So you won't be that much in debt, But I would recommend that you guys go ahead, purchase some clippers, and just start cutting hair. That way when you go to barber school, and after you realize how to become a barber, and you're in barber school, the people that are going to be coming in are going to be your own clients, and you're going to make your own money. So you guys, shout out to 4th Worth Barber Supply. It's going to be in the link in the description below. A beginner barber box just for you guys that I created. Thank you, man. So let's jump right into it. Let's do it. All right, guys, like I was saying, we're just going to type in how to become a barber very easily, very skillfully, right? And we're going to hop into this bad boy here, barberlicense.com. Actually, check this out. It goes by state on exactly what it is you need for your state. I live here in Nevada, so we're going to go ahead and click on here on Nevada. And it's going to list a few of the things that we need. A diploma, right? Attain a diploma from a 1,500-hour barber training program. Step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and finally step 6, and your life changes completely. Boom, boom, pow, you guys. There you have it. Now let's go back to the video. And before we continue with this video, you guys, actually I have to tell you, quick commercial break. The reason why I have been, absent and haven't been putting down any content, releasing anything, is because we actually started a barber company. I linked up with my business partner. His name is Josh, and we created our own brand. It's called Filoso Barber Brand, and it is amazing, right? Currently, we have merch. We just dropped some merch. We're taking pre-orders right now. By the time this is released, all the merch should be on the website, shipped to your doorstep in 3 days. On top of that, we thought, what better way than to start a barber company than to release our own personal razors. So we did exactly that. Check them out. They're dope. They're incredible. They're being produced. So right now, they should be here in 2 to 3 weeks. And man, I'm super excited. 2020 has been one hell of a year. I'm sure you can agree. And I'm excited. You know what I mean? So thank you guys so much for supporting. Obviously, all of this was done because of you. So thank you guys once again. Let's continue with the video, man. Thank you. Let's do it. So now that we know how to become a barber, right? That you just need a GED, high school diploma, and not have any felonies, it's that easy. Now here comes the difficulty. I would say the most important thing of how to become a barber is understanding that this is you're building a business. You're running and operating your own business. And with that, man, comes a lot of discipline and a lot of organization. And more importantly than any of that is the mindset. I talked to my primo, man. I talked to my primo and I asked him, my cousin, he's currently in barber school right now. And I know a few people personally that go to barber school, they'll graduate, and then they'll drop out. And why did they drop out? Because they didn't have their mind ready. Yes, you're going to cut hair, but you're also going to become your own business. And on top of that, you're kind of self-reliant. Everyone wants to walk around your chest up, you know what I mean? Real high and mighty. But you have to understand that this is a grind. We don't have a union. We don't have any health insurance. We don't have any benefits. We don't have any of that. And it's all on you. All on you. So if you understand that in your head, that you can overcome that. Because mind you, I have health insurance, I have I report all of my money, I pay taxes, I have everything that I just mentioned. I have all of that. How do I have that? I created my own limited liability company, an LLC, created my own business entity, and now me, Frank the Man LLC has an employee who also happens to be me. So if you're an individual who has a wife, who has a significant other, or just children, you can go ahead and do all that. But you have to understand the mindset is something you have to get through to your head. So there you guys have it, all said and done. It's very easy. Like I said, it's not that difficult. People in that comment section on how are you considering being a barber, I wouldn't say shame on you, but I feel like I get a lot of requests, a lot of DMs, you know, my social media. If you don't follow me, go ahead and follow me, you know, at FrankTheMan_. And it's just almost like if they want me to hold their hand for them. And I don't mean that disrespectful in any way, but look how easy it was for me to go ahead and just call and figure out all the information that I need. We don't know the numbers yet, but we know how to start. And that's one thing that we have to understand. Take the initiative, take the push, make it upon yourself to go ahead and do that. You can do anything in the world as long as you have your mindset. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. My name is Frank the Man once again. If you made it this far on the video, I appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe.